Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to game share on Nintendo Switch. So the first thing you need to do is go to the options tab here and you'll see this page. So scroll down and you'll get user settings here. After you get user settings, just scroll down a bit and you'll get the Nintendo eShop settings here. So just click on it and the page will open up. So just scroll down a bit and you'll find this option of primary console where you will see the option of deregistering your current account. So just click on it and your account will be deregistered, and after that add the other account that you want to game share on. So that's it, you are done game sharing with that other account, and that's how you game share on Nintendo Switch. So I really hope this video helped you guys, and thanks for watching. Take care.